In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. The first thing is to open the settings app, then scroll and select lock screen. From here, tap on the lock screen editor. Then you should see your current shortcuts. To customize or to change them, just tap on any shortcut you want. So say for example, I touch on the voice recording shortcut. I'll be given a menu of options and I can just scroll through the list and select an app or a tool to use. So say for example, I select Do Not Disturb. Then I can also choose to change Google Chrome the same way. So just tap on the icon and select a different app. So for example, Spotify. Then I'll tap on Done to save and apply the changes. And now, whenever I'm on my lock screen, I'll have brand new shortcuts. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.